Did you know Egypt is shining bright in the renewable energy revolution? Welcome to GeoEye Egypt, your gateway to a brighter, sustainable future. The pioneering Egyptian company delivering exceptional services in the renewable energy sector. Join us and be a part of the movement towards a greener, more vibrant world. At GeoEye Egypt, we shine in providing exceptional services at every stage of your project. From finding the ideal location with cutting-edge suitability models to conducting thorough geological, geophysical, and topographical studies, we're here to support you every step of the way. Our passionate team carries out thorough environmental assessments, ensuring your project not only meets but surpasses all regulatory standards with flying colors. With a commitment to excellence, our advanced drones, equipped with RGB and thermal sensors, soar high to ensure flawless inspections, swiftly spotting and resolving any potential issues, keeping our energy solutions shining bright. With our state-of-the-art AI models, we celebrate the power of precision. Detecting the smallest surface changes and potential issues, we ensure your renewable energy systems shine brightly. From identifying anomalies in solar panels to catching minor defects in wind turbines, our technology guarantees peak performance and a brighter future. Ready to boost your turbine's efficiency? From tower to blade, and even internal inspections, we guarantee top performance and unwavering integrity. Let's soar to new heights together. With our cutting-edge thermal imaging technology, we guarantee peak performance and early detection of any issues in your solar panels, giving you confidence and boosting efficiency. Embrace a brighter future with our top-notch services, from sparkling cleanups to expert maintenance and more. GeoEye Egypt radiates as the beacon of renewable energy solutions, transforming the sector not just in Egypt, but across the Middle East and North Africa. Let's unite in illuminating a sustainable future. GeoEye Egypt, shining brightly as the pioneering force in Egypt, offering complete renewable energy solutions with unmatched expertise and inspiring innovation. GeoEye Egypt, lighting the path to a brighter tomorrow. See beyond eyes.